Assalamu Alaikum! I'm Jannah. Let's have fun and learn the ABCs together. Come on, let's start! A is for apple.
A is for apple.
A is for airplane.
A is for airplane.
A is for ant.
A is for ant.
B is for book.
B is for book.
B is for ball.
B is for ball.
B is for banana.
B is for banana.
C is for camel.
C is for camel.
C is for cup.
C is for cup.
C is for car.
C is for car.
D is for dates.
D is for dates.
D is for door.
D is for door.
D is for drum.
D is for drum.
E is for egg.
E is for egg.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
E is for eagle.
E is for eagle.
F is for fan.
F is for fan.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
F is for flower.
F is for flower.
G is for glass.
G is for glass.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
G is for grapes.
G is for grapes.
H is for honey.
H is for honey.
H is for hat.
H is for hat.
H is for hand.
H is for hand.
I is for island.
I is for island.
I is for ice.
I is for ice.
I is for ink.
I is for ink.
J is for jacket.
J is for jacket.
J is for jug.
J is for jug.
J is for jasmine.
J is for jasmine.
K is for Kaaba.
K is for Kaaba.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
K is for key.
K is for key.
L is for lamp.
L is for lamp.
L is for lemon.
L is for lemon.
L is for leaf.
L is for leaf.
M is for masjid.
M is for masjid.
M is for moon.
M is for moon.
M is for mango.
M is for mango.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
N is for needle.
N is for needle.
N is for notebook.
N is for notebook.
O is for orange.
O is for orange.
O is for olive.
O is for olive.
O is for octopus.
O is for octopus.
P is for prayer mat.
P is for prayer mat.
P is for pencil.
P is for pencil.
P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for Quran.
Q is for Quran.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quilt.
Q is for quilt.
R is for rain.
R is for ring.
R is for ring.
R is for ring.
R is for rose.
S is for rose.
S is for star.
S is for star.
S is for sheep.
S is for sheep.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
T is for Tasbih.
T is for tasbih.
B. T is for tree.
T is for tree.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
U is for uniform.
U is for uniform.
U is for utensil.
U is for utensils.
V is for violin.
V is for violin.
V is for vase.
V is for vase.
V is for vegetable.
V is for vegetables.
W is for watch.
W is for watch.
W is for water.
W is for water.
W is for window.
W is for window.
X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
X is for x-ray.
X is for x-ray.
X is for X marks.
X is for X mark.
E is for yam.
Y is for yam.
I is for yogurt.
Y is for yogurt.
E is for yacht.
Y is for yacht.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zipper.
Z is for zipper.
Z is for zero.
Z is for zero.
Thank you for watching Little Explorer. See you next time for more fun and learning, inshallah.